t-ochtú, how are you? Mary Ellen Muncho. Agus being Kilum. Come and join me for a meditation. I'm going to sit down here. So I had a client ask me today, what do I believe in? And I believe in this, in nature. I believe that we are fitcha fuha, interconnected with nature. And when I meditate in nature, I feel really connected to the whole world. I feel connected to you, all of you out there. And I feel like I'm sending you out grow more. And I feel that I am centering myself in Shiakon, in peace.